To perform calibration and measurement with the software on your PC, start the program, click Autofocus. Make sure the C-mount checkbox is clicked. This will ensure that will bring the camera to the default position, which is necessary for both calibration and measurement. Then move to Measure section and click second tab, Calibration. Now when you have a scale under the scope, click Draw and move your mouse to point A and point B, in this case 15 to 20 millimeter. So I'm going to enter the name. I'm at a zoom number 2 position, and this lens should be 5 millimeter. So I can choose 5 mm or I can do 5,000 micron. When I'm done, I click Apply to complete. And that's how you do calibration. If you look at the calibration table at the bottom, this is the new calibration that we just performed. You can also verify your calibration by going to the measurement tool. Now click the line function, and then you can measure your scale. So I get 5,000.006 micron. That is super good. So this confirms that my calibration is precise and I'm ready to perform actual measurement.